Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset Wi-Fi setting on Android. Particularly, I'll be using Infinix Note 11. If at the end of this video, guys, you find it so helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, guys, how do you reset Wi-Fi settings on your Android? All you need to do is to go to your phone and open up your settings. Open up your settings app. Then from there, go ahead and scroll up to the last option, which is system. Just open up that system, click on it. Now from this page, guys, scroll up and find reset phone. Click on reset phone. It now bring you to this page. Now under this reset phone, you see reset Wi-Fi settings. Just go ahead and click on reset Wi-Fi settings. Now a message will pop up, reset Wi-Fi settings. This reset Wi-Fi mobile and Bluetooth. If you are using two sims on your phone, it will display both. Then you have to choose the sim you are using for your network. After that, go ahead and click on the sim. Then go ahead and click on reset settings. Now you are to enter your password. Just go ahead and put in your password. After that, go ahead and click on send. So guys, that is how to reset Wi-Fi settings on Android. You find this video so helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Give the thumbs up and turn on the notification bell for more updates so that you'll be notified whenever I drop my video. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys in the next video.